It's Heather, and it's January 5th, 2026. It's Monday morning, and I was just thinking about something that happened over the weekend. I woke up Sunday morning, feeling like I had barely slept at all. My phone wasn't in my charger. Everything was just sort of what the heck? And it was Saturday night. We were just hanging out at home, watching TV, and I let myself open an app and start scrolling. And then when I got to the end of that app, I went to a different app and I scrolled for a while. I read a bunch of stuff. And it was one of those nights where it was you're on your phone and you go through one app, and then you go through another app, then you go back to the first app, and then you go to another app, and then you go to another and go back. And then finally, I went to bed, and I guess I just fell asleep. My phone was somewhere, in the bed. Why? So it wasn't charged. I woke up feeling like I hadn't slept a wink. My teeth were clenched. Even my sensor ring was you're stressed. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I didn't want to get out of bed, but when you have a shepherd, some days you don't have a choice. So of course, I didn't have a choice. I got my shoes on and we went for our morning walk like we do every day, even though I really didn't want to. And then I was still just kind of annoyed at everything, but I was like, okay, my phone's dead, so I have to charge it. So it was like a forced separation. And I just did a ton of other things. I packed orders from my website and took those to the post office. I ran errands. And then ultimately we got cooking. So a good creative act that took a ton of time and a ton of mental energy. And we made a fantastic brie and pear soup. It was unbelievable. We got a whole box of really nice pears at Christmas time. And I think we put them to good use with that soup. So I was just thinking about the fact that sometimes when you feel agitated, it's good to take a break from your cell phone and do something creative. It took me a while to figure out what that was going to be. And it also took a couple other catalysts, like my dog, my work, my husband, cooking, to pull me away. But I'd say by noon, 1 o'clock, I was starting to feel like myself, and I wasn't thinking about all that crap I had read online. I was starting to think about, what kind of fun stuff am I going to do this week? What plans do we have? I was starting to look forward and look at the little things around me and just take a moment to be back in my life rather than in my phone. So maybe you need a little tip like that every so often. So go put your phone on the charger and take one action, because one action leads to another and you'll feel better for it. At least I did. So have a great day and have a great week. I hope you have fun stuff to look forward to.